what else is happening in equities that is signal potentially for crypto? So S&P's up, 100's up, Dow Jones is up, big like meat sticks are getting put in. IWM still trying to recover. Whoops. IWM, remember this is the shitco index, so this is the shit companies. Still not at all-time highs. When this breaks to all-time highs, this is whenever Ethereum runs. We've showed that relationship in the past. Ethereum runs whenever IWM goes into price discovery. So this was clear demand zone. Look what we did. Boom, 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 boom. Came back into the demand zone. Trying to curl back up. This was the previous all-time here. He broke up. This is when you had alt season last time because risk assets are running. So you get this to break new all-time highs. That's when you get alt season. Okay. QQQ, meat stick. Look at that. QQQ going into price discovery. Look at that. Huge. Reclaim of the bull market trend right here. Now we're pushing. Okay. Hugely bullish. So I'm looking at these and I'm saying this is all good. Nvidia breaking out new all-time highs. That seems bullish to me. Look at this. Coinbase stock. Not at all-time highs from the IPO. Let's actually mark that out. Not at all-time highs, but breaking out from this region. So tagged right here, look, this high. From this high up, there's nothing but air to the previous all-time high. So Coinbase is ripping. Interesting. Robinhood pushing for all-time highs. Seems bullish to me. Where do people buy crypto? Robinhood, Coinbase. So this is up to Circle. Look at this. Circle. Look at that. Who could have foreseen this? So I had this drawn out off stream. These are the CME gaps. So CME gap here. CME gap here. So these were the gaps. Look. Came back down. Filled it. Pushing back up. That's good. That's bullish. Why? Because we got the gap fill here. Typically, you're going to get gap fills in equity markets. Circle's now starting to push back up higher. So beautiful. Good. Bullish. We like that. So everything so far so good. DXY. Excuse me. This is VIX getting crushed. As the VIX gets crushed, we wanted to come back into this demand zone. This is bullish for markets. This comes back down lower. Markets go up higher. Good. DXY. Look at this. Gentlemen. Breaking down. New low locally. Breakdown here is bullish. Broke down, broke down. Coming into this first major demand zone, which is here. December, November of 2021 was the last part of your alt season last cycle. This is a good level to be coming back down into. Beautiful. Bullish. We like it. Everything so far is telling me bullishness. Gold's topping. Silver's going. Let's take a look at this. Good, 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 good. This is huge as well. Okay, so we got an unexpected bounce on government yields, 10-year yields. When yields are above 4.5%, typically the market returns 1 or 2% for the year. This is equities. When government bonds are below 4.5%, typically the market returns much higher, like closer to 20% for the year. Huge fucking difference. We topped out at 4.6. This is whenever markets started cheating hard as fuck, whenever bonds nuked or pumped all the way up in here. This is when altcoins and everything was getting nuked. Breaking back down. Get this down into here and below. Bullish conditions again. Everything is trending in the right direction for us right now from a macro bull run perspective. Again, have we been waiting a long time for this to actually play? Yes, but everything needs to be in line for shit to start pumping up higher. But DXY going down. Bond yields going down. VIX going down. All the crypto stocks pumping. Nvidia, new all-time highs. S&P, new all-time high, or no, not new all-time highs, close. So right here. Getting close. Global liquidity at all-time highs. To me, it's looking pretty good, Hairball. It's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good to me, Hairball. So, anyways, there's your confluence, okay? So let's take a look at Ethereum then. So where's ETH? ETH, quick little flush. Let's take a look at the momentum indicators. So invite only. Let's take a look at just normal RSI. Look, good. RSI is starting to bounce a little bit. This is good on the daily. Why is this good? Well, you got to flush. You got to flush on the daily RSI. Why is this important? Low. So the last time we were this oversold was when the price was at 1500. We came back down to this region. Price is at 2200. Why is this significant? We made a bounce, mean reversion, back up to the moving average. Okay. Now we need to see us flip the moving average and move up like this. But because the price is much higher than what we were over here whenever the RSI became pretty low, now this has room to run on the daily. It has room to run up to its next level of 4,000 up in here to cover that last CME gap. So that's good because we have room now in the RSI indicator to run. Let me get rid of this. Does that make sense? So we have the room to run. Let's take a look at brush strokes. Okay, good. So we have room to run. Let's take a look at the RSI on weekly. Yep, weekly is still at the midline. It's fine. Cool, got room to run. Plenty of room to run on ETH. Monthly RSI. Plenty of room to run. Still under the moving average, so we still have a mean reversion to take place on the monthly. Again, why is this important? Because in the past, when we were clearly topped, we were massively overbought on the monthly, and that's when we got this huge move. Here, we topped like this. This is got plenty of room to run back up, even if we come up high. This would probably be the cycle top over here once we get this move. So again, macro, I'm still bullish because we're going into more favorable conditions. Again, is it taking a long time? Yeah. Boo-hoo, Playboy. You want to get rich overnight? Sorry, it's not how it works. Not this cycle. It's going to take a bit longer than expected.